TECHNO-PARTS has more than 50 years of experience in producing high-quality seals and molded parts for hydraulic, pneumatic, and chemical applications in various industries. 18 Hänel Lean-Lifts storing more than 20,000 items support order picking and quick delivery of goods to customers. The Hänel Lean-Lifts are connected to the host ERP system via the flexible and high-performance HänelSoft warehouse management solution. All processes, from offer generation and planning to final invoicing, are managed through the central enterprise resource planning system. Communication with HänelSoft is based on CSV files. Employees use the Hänel MP12N host web controller to access the modern and intuitive HänelSoft user interface. The integrated host interface supports data communication between HänelSoft and the ERP system, as well as the generation of pick orders. All orders, including retrieval number, order number, and other specific data, are then listed by HänelSoft and displayed on the lift control unit. The orders are processed by 2 employees. The 16 Hänel Lean-Lifts are clustered in 2 groups, each having 8 storage systems. 1 employee is responsible for 1 cluster. Retrieval routing is optimized to reduce transport time. When an employee initiates a retrieval order at one of the lift systems, HänelSoft automatically ensures that the container in the nearest lift system reaches the access point for retrieval. If items intended for one order are distributed across several lift systems, the Hänel Container Pre-Positioning feature speeds up the picking process considerably. The Hänel systems at TECHNO-PARTS are also equipped with compartment and sub-level indicators to minimize retrieval errors. Each retrieval transaction is confirmed directly on the lift controller. The ERP system is notified when all of the items on the pick list have been retrieved. All storage transactions and inventory levels are automatically recorded so that data is accurate at all times. A conveyor system positioned between both lift clusters transports boxes that employees fill with picked items. The process is very ergonomic. The delivery note and the invoice are printed after the order has been rechecked to ensure that all items have been included. The current inventory data is also updated in the ERP system. The Hänel Lean-Lift provides space-saving and height-optimized storage for maximum storage space within a minimum footprint. Thanks to the intelligent integration of the lift systems via HänelSoft, TECHNO-PARTS benefits from smooth and ergonomic processes that boost order picking performance.